Now we watch first entry complete. Now second entry is here. Outstanding interest. Sorry, outstanding debenture interest. The debenture interest waived. Debenture interest waived. Debenture interest is our debt. Okay, it is our debt. Now it is waived. Then it is profit or loss. It is our profit. Then profit is capital deduction should be credited. Okay. Then outstanding debenture interest is debited. You just watch in entry second adjustment. Second adjustment. Okay. Debenture holders waived. Then how much amount? 20,000. Then outstanding debenture interest is debit to capital deduction account credit. Outstanding debenture interest is waived. Narration is outstanding debenture interest is waived. Now third entry is preference dividend. Areas of preference dividend. Okay. This 20,000 is given in balance sheet. Okay. Liability side 20,000. So watch in balance sheet 20,000. Okay. Outstanding debenture interest. Now third entry is preference dividend. Areas of preference dividend. The adjustment number 3. Area of preference dividend. It is our preference dividend. It is our profit. Now areas in preference dividend, which is dividend which is not we get in future. Okay. Then areas. Then capital deduction account is debit to preference dividend account is credit. Amount 25,000. In narration, areas of preference dividend. Fourth entry. The fourth entry is now preference dividend. We read in question what it says. Third adjustment 25,000 areas and paid them. Read carefully. And paid. Third adjustment and paid. Then paid. આપણે paid કરવાનું છે તો શું થાય? Preference dividend account. Here preference dividend credited. Now reverse. Preference dividend account debited and we paid. Then cash goes out. Cash goes out means cash account or bank account is credited. Then preference dividend is debit to bank account credit 25,000. Complete. Now fifth entry is in working note. In working note, capital deduction utilized side. Watch in working note, capital deduction utilized side. All the amount is credited. Right? Because the value of assets is written down. Value of assets is written down means the assets value is written down means our assets value is decreased. Now assets value is decreased means I understood shortcut trick. Asset decrease. That means what? Profit or loss? My value of building decrease. Profit or loss? Loss. Then capital deduction account is debited. And all account is credited. Then watch in working note. Capital deduction utilized side. First is P&L account. Okay, return of goodwill. It is also written of preliminary expenses. It is also written of and land and building. Written down value land and building 1 lakh. Plant and machinery 1 lakh. To patent 1,50,000. To furniture 20,000. To bed reserve 5,000. And to capital reserve balancing figure in working note. Watch in working note balancing figure is 70,000. Asset and balance complete this entry. Total 7,95,000. Now your question. Then total is 8,20,000. Here is 7,95,000. Then balance of 25,000 where it is gone? Here 25,000 we have already done. Preference dividend 25,000. Entry of 25,000 is preference dividend. We have already done the entry of preference dividend. That's why here difference of 25,000. Otherwise total is 8,20,000 debited to capital deduction account. Complete. But the specific entry આપણે અલગથી એન્ટ્રી કરેલી છે બરોબર. તે પ્રેફરન્સ ડિવિડન્ડ ની એન્ટ્રી 25,000 ની એટલા માટે બે એન્ટ્રી અલગ છે. Complete. Asset and balance transfer to capital reserve. Here all entry completed. Now we will start the revised balance sheet. Okay. You just write down or you take a screenshot. તમે આ લખી નાખો અથવા screenshot video. Complete? Now journal entry we have completed journal entry. બરાબર journal entry આમ નોંધ પૂરી. હવે balance sheet revised balance sheet બનાવવાનું છે. We have to prepare revised balance sheet now. Revised balance sheet, this is balance sheet is horizontal balance sheet. Which is balance sheet horizontal. We have studied in 12th vertical balance sheet, but in corporate account and in this chapter capital deduction we have to prepare horizontal balance sheet. Particular rupees, liability, equity and liability, and here assets, equity and liability and assets. Okay, particular and rupees, particular rupees. This is format of horizontal balance sheet. Particulars rupees. Okay. Now the short rules of this chapter. Second rules of this chapter: debit plus, credit plus, debit minus, and credit minus. Okay. Now the Vishwa Bharati Limited balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. It is revised balance sheet. Okay. Now particular and rupees, equity and liabilities. First of all, equity and liabilities, and here assets. There is no space. That's why I written down here. Okay. Otherwise, તમારે કેવું બનાવવાનું છે? તમારે સીધું particular and rupees. Okay. Equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, share capital. Now share capital, two share capitals is there. First of all, equity share, 1 lakh of rupees, 4 is fully paid up. Now how many share capitals in balance sheet? In your question, balance sheet, equity share capital is total 10 lakh. Now liability side balance is credit and asset side balance is debit. Okay, asset balance is debit and liability balance is credit. Now equity share capital, which balance? Liability side balance, so it is balance is credit. Okay, then equity share capital balance is credit. Now watch in journal entry. First journal entry, debited 6 lakh. Okay, then here credit, debit. Equity share capital balance is credit, and in journal entry, equity share capital account debit, credit debit minus. So in balance sheet માં કેટલા પેલા equity share capital 10 lakh. Okay, in balance sheet equity share capital is 10 lakh, and in journal entry equity share capital account is 6 lakh. Okay, then 10 lakh minus 10 lakh minus 6 lakh is equal to 4 lakh. Complete. Same way preference share capital 50,000, 6% cumulative preference share 6 fully paid. Now preference share capital amount is in balance sheet. In question balance sheet, preference share capital account amount is 5 lakhs. Complete. Now the balance of preference share is credit or debit? It is liability side. Liability side balance is credit. Okay. Now preference share capital is balance credit. Now watch in journal entry. First journal entry, pehli journal entry. Preference share capital account is debit or credit? It is debit. How much amount? First of all debit. Okay, then credit debit is minus 2 lakh. Okay, then
याद में कोई बनाए रे हसी ताजमहल याद में.
complete. Now minus. Okay, then credit debit minus preference share capital amount is 5 lakhs. Okay, and in journal entry is 2 lakh. Then 5 lakh in balance sheet, and in journal entry 2 lakh. 5 lakh minus 2 lakh minus. Okay, 3 lakh. Complete. Here reserve surplus. Reserve surplus. Which is reserve surplus? Capital reserve, general reserve. These all are included in capital reserve and surplus. The capital reserve is working note. In working note, watch in working note. 17,000 capital reserve. Okay, then 17,000. Now here only include equity and liability. Okay. Now non-current liability. Non-current liability is long-term borrowing. Watch in balance sheet. In question balance sheet, long-term liability side. How many debentures are there? 2 lakhs. Okay. So here 2 lakhs. Now current liabilities include trade payable, means creditors, bank overdraft, okay, bills payables. These are all are included in current liability. Now current liability is 1 lakh. Watch in balance sheet. Liability side in balance sheet question. Current liability is 1 lakh. Okay. Now completed all the liabilities. We have completed all the liabilities. Okay. Contingent liability is not included here. Okay. Now total is 10,70,000. Now assets. Assets is non-current assets. Two types of assets: non-current assets and current assets. Non-current assets is long-term assets and current asset is short-term assets. Okay. Now non-current assets. In non-current assets, two parts: tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible asset is means which is visible, and intangible asset means which is not visible. In short, tangible asset એટલે જોઈ શકાય એવી મિલકતો અને intangible asset એટલે ન જોઈ શકાય તેવી મિલકતો એટલે કે અદ્રશ્ય મિલકતો. બરોબર. Now tangible asset, land and building. How many amount of land and building in question in balance sheet? Asset side amount is 4 lakhs. Okay, 4 lakhs. Then here 4 lakhs. Now asset side balance is debit or credit? Here I write asset side balance is debit. Okay, asset side balance is debit. DR means short form. Asset side balance is, and CR is credit short form. DR is debit short form. Now asset side balance is debit, and asset side balance is debit. And in journal entry, in fifth journal entry, land and building account is debited or credited? Fifth journal entry, credited. Okay, then credit, debit credit minus. If two are same then plus, if different then minus. Okay, then debit credit is minus. Then here 4 lakh minus 1 lakh. 4 lakh from balance sheet and 1 lakh from journal entry. Okay. Now same way, plant and machinery. In balance sheet, plant and machinery value is 4 lakh and debit balance. And credited in fifth entry, journal entry, 1 lakh credited plant and machinery. So minus. So 4 lakh minus 1 lakh, 3 lakh. Same way in furniture and fitting. Furniture is in balance sheet question. In question balance sheet 40,000 furniture, and in journal entry credited 20,000. Okay. So debit credit is minus. So 40,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 20,000. હવે intangible asset એટલે અદ્રશ્ય મિલકતો. અદ્રશ્ય મિલકતોમાં કઈ છે? એક જ છે. પેટર્ન એક નથી. ના, that's not one intangible asset. Other is goodwill. Okay, yes, goodwill. Other is goodwill. Goodwill પણ છે ને intangible asset. But why here I am not so goodwill? Why? Because we written off goodwill. આપણે માંડી વેડી છે ને goodwill માંડી વેડી છે ને આપણે written off. Okay, we written off 4A, adjustment number 4A. Okay, then goodwill is not shown. Patent amount is in asset side. In balance sheet asset side, patent amount is 2 lakh. Now in journal entry, in fifth journal entry, patent account is credited. Now debit credit minus debit credit minus. Okay. Now pattern 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 50,000 is equal to 50,000. Now current asset. Now current asset is inventories. Okay, inventories. Watch in balance sheet in question. Stock. Yes, stock. Stock is 2 lakh 50,000. So here stock is 2 lakh 50,000. There is no journal entry. So not plus minus, not debit credit, or this rule apply. This rule. This rule is not applied. Okay. Now trade receivable means trade receivable and debtors both are same. Debtors is in balance sheet in question. Asset side in balance sheet, asset side debtor is 1 lakh. Okay, then debtors is 1 lakh minus bad debt reserve. Bad debt reserve is 5% on debtors, then 5,000, then minus 1 lakh minus 5,000, debtor minus bad debt reserve. Okay, total is 95,000. And here cash and bank. Cash and bank is the balance of cash and bank in balance sheet is, balance sheet માં cash and bank કેટલું આપેલું છે? Asset side bank balance આપેલું છે 27,000, 27,000 નું bank balance આપેલું છે, તો 27,000 bank balance. હવે now entry number 4.
याद में कोई बन
Now first of all cash and bank. Now asset side balance. Cash balance is or bank balance. What is it? Okay. Asset side bank balance. It is given. Bank balance આપેલું છે asset side 27,000. Okay. Then 27,000. First of all asset side is debit or credit? Asset side is debit or credit? Then debit, yes. Asset side balance is debit. Now in journal entry. Entry number yes 4. Entry number 4. Cash or bank? Given, yes, bank account. Bank account credited. How much amount? 25,000. First of all credited in journal entry. Debit credit minus debit credit minus. Okay. Then minus 25,000. Okay. Then 27,000 minus 25,000. So total is 2,000. Now the balance of this asset side is 10,70,000. Okay. Liability side balance is 10,17,000 and asset side balance is 10,70,000. So your answer is right and you are correct. Okay. Now you have to prepare this particular and rupees, this format. Particular rupees. Upper side is equity and liability and under side is assets. Okay. And you just remind these rules. Debit plus, credit plus, debit minus and credit minus. Okay, thank you for watching me, thank you for hearing me, thank you very much.